Here it is.
Until 4:40
Here it is.
At 12:34 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mount Pocono, Paradise Valley, Mountain Home, Canadian Sis, Alpine Mountain, Henryville, Scotland, Skitog, Pocono Heights, Long Pond, and Cresco. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 293 and 301. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 5. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a wind force gusting to 22.
Oh, yep.
4 inches and falling. Once again in Tyler, it was 72 degrees with rain falling at 11.
Yep.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until noon Central Daylight Time for southeastern.
Oh no, I'm on the wrong station.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a flash flood warning for
Silly me.
Hempstead County in southwestern Arkansas, Nevada County in southwestern Arkansas until 3:45 p.m. At 11:48
Yep,
a.m.,
my fact name.
Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen.
Oh, it's 020.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hope, Prescott, Emmett, Blevins, Perrytown, Ralston, Fulton, Washington, Willisville, Boatcaw, Bluff City, McCaskill, Ozen, Cale, McNabb, Oak Haven, Sutton, Lanebird, Boughton, and Mount Moriah. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Dangerous flash flooding is occurring or is imminent. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing flood waters. If you are in an area subject to flooding, move to higher ground now. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for southern Garland County and central Arkansas, west Arkansas, Pike County.
There's an FFW issue. Oh god, oh god, oh god. New York. Which one was it? Highland, right. Oh my god. Don't. Cool. Wait. Thank you. Alright, good. No.
National Weather Service in Upton has
What am I even
issued a
saying?
flash flood warning for central Orange County in southeastern New York until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include
How are we doing
Middletown,
here?
Port
Holy
Jervis,
crap, that's a
Roy,
lot of storms.
Goshen, Chester, Florida,
Is that
Douglasville,
rotation?
Otisville, Huguenot, Unionville,
Just
Dearborn,
the hook-shaped
Mackinac Washingtonville,
indication.
Westtown, Slate Hill, Pine Island, and New Hampton.
But I just need...
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
What? That was weird. Did I just go deaf for a second, or did it mute?
The National Weather Service in...
Okay, where did this come from? That no I am bot notification. There's an FFW from Little Rock. But what's going on?
Flash flood watch in effect until
Flash
10
flood
p.m.
watch.
Eastern Daylight Time this
Okay.
evening. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flash flood watch for portions of northwestern Connecticut, western Massachusetts, and east central New York,
Holy
including
crap.
the following areas: in northwestern Connecticut,
That's a
northern
couple.
Litchfield, and southern Litchfield;
That's a couple counties.
in western Massachusetts, northern Berkshire, and southern Berkshire; in east central New York, eastern Columbia, eastern Dutchess, eastern Green, eastern Ulster, western Columbia,
Is Boston
western
having
Dutchess,
an
western
NWS?
Green, and western Ulster. Until
No,
10 p.m.
wait.
Eastern Daylight Time this evening, numerous showers and scattered thunderstorms are
Wait, no.
developing this afternoon and will continue through the rest of the day into this evening. Slow-moving thunderstorms will be capable of producing torrential
It's an aircraft.
rainfall
thing.
with local amounts of 2 to 4 inches. Flash flooding may result, especially across urban, poor drainage, and low-lying areas. A flash flood
That
watch
was
means
because of
that
the weather.
conditions may develop that lead to
See if he
flash
still has
flooding.
that stream going.
It's a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. The National Weather Service.
That's the first SVR of the day. Believe it or not.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ulster County in east central New York, southern Dutchess County in east central New York, until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:15 p.m.
Special
Eastern
heat
Daylight
warning.
Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Marlborough or near Newburgh, moving northeast at
Oh, maybe I'll just stop working.
10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, sign, and trees. Locations impacted include Poughkeepsie, Beacon, Pauling, Plattekill, Wappingers Falls, Fishkill,
There's only
Hopewell
one
Junction,
SVR in effect
Marlborough,
right now.
Red Oaksville, Myers Corner, Wingdale, Dover Plains, East Fishkill,
Am I gonna be able to
Corner,
get...
Stormville, Baker Corner, Knapp's Corner, those in the lower 70s.
That's loud. I'm gonna have to miss out on the rest of the... I lost it. Where'd it go? Dang it. Never mind then. Highland. Oh.
Thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Dutchess, and Ulster. Flash flood watch in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight. Isolated thunderstorms daily. The thunderstorms likely late tonight.
It keeps cutting out.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flash flood warning for east central Ulster County in east central New York until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hurley, Ola Bridge, Vicama, Atwood, Latla, Whistle, Crumville, Broadhead, Morgan Hill, and Sampsonville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks, which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. Please report flooding to the National Weather Service by email at alb.stormreport@noaa.gov, on Facebook at www.facebook.com/NWS Albany, or Twitter at NWS Albany.